Do you remember those cozy nights playing Harvest Moon, which is nowadays called Story of Seasons? Or maybe you're more familiar with Stardew Valley. I've always loved those games, but when I started making one myself, I quickly realized that there's so much happening behind the scenes that you just take for granted until you're actually working on the game. We're going to build all those systems together, planting seeds, befriending villagers, raising animals. And the best part is, we'll take it one step at a time. You can start this series with zero game dev experience. We'll begin with the basics, and gradually work our way up to more advanced concepts. You'll learn to work with singletons, scriptable objects, interfaces, and the like. In the first 5 episodes, we'll set the foundation with player movement, camera controls, farm interactions, and an inventory system where you can manage and equip your tools and items. Episode 6 to 13 implements the heart of farming gameplay. Time, clearing obstacles, planting and harvesting crops, moving between different areas, and saving your progress. By episodes 14 to 17, we'll bring money into the equation, where you can buy and sell in shops, with NPCs you can talk to and build relationships with. Episodes 18 to 22 focus on bringing animals to your farm, from incubating eggs to raising chickens that grow from chicks to adults. And starting with episode 23, we're polishing everything, giving NPCs daily routines, adding special events and cutscenes, improving tool animations, and implementing weather and stamina systems. All of these building upon the systems that we had previously established. We still have plenty to cover in future episodes, which we hope will culminate into a marriage system. If you want to see how the game plays right now, there's a demo on itch.io. The link is in the description. And if you would like to support this series, you can join our Patreon, where you'll also get the complete project files to explore on your own, and the accompanying article that will guide you through this tutorial. So if you are ready to start building your own farming RPG game, hop on to the next video.